Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. So you guys know Christmas is coming. It's one of my favorite times of the year. A lot of my hauls this close to Christmas are all Christmas related. So I wanted to show you guys just a little Home Bargains haul, Home Bargains Christmas haul that I picked up. I'm super excited. So we're not going to waste any time, just straight into the video. So couple of things. First thing I picked up is this adorable candy cane gift wrap. It was 99p for 10 meters, which is amazing. And look how cute this wrapping paper is. I totally love it. I purchased some packing paper as well. This is just craft paper. It's 5 meters. It's super, super long, if you can see. And this is just a stuffing for a couple of little gift packs that I'm going to make, and I like to have something in the bottom to stuff it and raise it up. So also only 99p, which I thought was amazing. I picked up this little Marvel Superhero Adventures magnetic scribbler. I nearly got that out. This is to be donated to the charity. I just thought it was super cute. I am a real Marvel buff, real Marvel fan. And I thought this was amazing. This was only £5 and I thought it would be a great donatable item. It's for 3+, but how cute is this? So I'm going to make up a little pack, a little donatable pack, put this together with some chocolate and some additional other Marvel bits and pieces that I have. I have colouring books, Marvel crayons. So I'm going to put a little pack together with some chocolate. And I'm just going to move this bag off my table so that it creates a little bit of space so that I don't maybe necessarily have to throw, I don't even know if this is going to sit. I don't have to throw pretty much everything off to the side, and you guys can still see. Christmas would not be Christmas, and my tree would not be my tree without some candy canes. I am not a lover of the peppermint flavour. However, everyone who comes to my house is. So there is never any of these left, and my theme is usually red and white, very traditionally Christmas. But they're only 99p for candy canes. I tend to get them a little on the earlier side, because I don't know about you guys, but I find that sometimes it's hard for me to get candy canes if I leave it. So I was really happy with those. I purchased this fidget Poppin' Spin Maze. It's a mega 3-in-1 fidget. It was only £1, which I thought was awesome. But it is a little fidget spinner with pops, and it also has a game, which I thought was really fun. So I purchased that also for £1 to pop in with my little pack. I purchased 2 of them. I didn't even realize I purchased 2, but I purchased 2 of them. So that will allow me to put it in a different pack. I picked up these white chocolate coins. These coins were £1 a bag. These are actually really good, considering the ones that I bought in Poundland were probably, you had a fraction of these little chocolate coins, and I do love white chocolate, but these are also to go to the charity packs, and they were only £1. I picked up 2 of those. I picked up, oh my gosh, talking about candy canes. So when I write my Christmas cards that I give out to friends, family, colleagues at work, I always put some type of either chocolate in it or a little candy cane. These candy canes are fantastic because they come individually sealed. So I usually pop one inside each of my little Christmas cards that I give out to my colleagues at work and my friends. And I just think they're great. I did purchase 2 packs of these. There are 20 in each pack, and they're just super great. And it's always nice to get a card with something a little extra. I bought this amazing bath fizzer in watermelon. This little bath fizzer was £1.20. It's from Sea Spa, but I thought this would be great. Maybe I was thinking for me to put into the shower and have it almost like a shower steamer. I don't have a bath, but I do have a fascination for the fizziness of bath bombs. So I'll let you guys know if that worked well as a shower steamer. It may not, but you never know. Guys, I could not help myself. I purchased a little Santa Sleigh Bells hand wash. I don't even know the scent of this. I just thought this would be really fun for my bathroom for people to wash their hands and just to keep it with the Christmas spirit. I thought it was really, really adorable. This was only 99p, which I think is fantastic. I didn't even open this to smell the scent. I literally bought it because it was so this just tastes like or tastes. This just smells like normal traditional hand soap floral. I'm totally not mad at it. I bought it because of the little Santa, and I think that's going to be so cute, and it keeps with the total festive theme. The next thing that I purchased are these adorable. Look how cute these candles are and how amazing these would look in a gift, as a gift. These are twisted peppermint scented candles. I purchased 2 of them. They were only $2.99. You have the shiny lid on the top, and then it's a 2-wick candle. And it is a really sweet twisted peppermint scent. Really, really, really lovely. And guys, these are pretty big candles. Doesn't tell me the burn-in time on this candle, but I think these are super adorable. I intend to put these in with a little pack for friend, well, for 2 friends because I purchased 2, but I think they're adorable. I mean, really inexpensive gift. Oh, it smells so delightful and is absolutely adorable. Let's pop those little candles right here so you guys can see them. I love those little candles. And the last thing I got in this haul is something I thought was a little bit funny. I do have, when Christmas dinner is over, I do tend to have almost like a dessert table. It's not fancy. It sounds fancier than it is. But I just thought this would be something a little different, something that I've never done before. So this is a gingerbread house treat wall. It comes with a little stand at the bottom, so you can stand it up, which is awesome. And it holds donuts. I just think this is so cute. It's different than anything I've ever had before. I do intend to buy the donuts to put on to this, but I think it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it holds 7 donuts. That's perfectly okay. It is more decoration than anything else, I think. And this was only $2.99, which I thought was pretty darn awesome. And it's just something that I've never done before. I thought it would make my little dessert table look a little bit different than normal. And I just think it's really, really fun. If you have a lot of kids coming to your house for Christmas, which I do, I just think this kind of gets them engaged and maybe not engaged, but gets them excited. And so I'm super excited to have that. I just think that is a total bargain. These are going to collapse. So guys, that's everything I've got in my little home bargains haul. I love everything. Tell me what your favorite item is. I think mine's is definitely this little gingerbread house treat wall. I'm super excited about it. And guys, you know, if you don't want to put donuts on this, you can put something else. I'm hopefully going to try and get donuts. If not, I will do a workaround. I just think the donuts look pretty they look pretty neat, and I would really love to get the donuts for it. But if not, I can definitely do a workaround. I would be super interested if you guys leave a comment in the comment section below to whether you think it's a good idea or not, or what your favorite item, if you can see it all, what your favorite item in this haul is today. I am super interested in your feedback. I'm super interested in your opinions as well. In the interim, guys, if you've liked this video, please smash that like button. If you are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And if you guys want to be notified of any of my future videos, go ahead and hit the notification bell. Guys, honestly, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. My channel is very small and I'm trying to grow it, and I appreciate every time you watch, like, or share my videos. So a massive thank you to each and every one of you. Guys, in the interim, I'm going to say goodbye. I really hope you all keep well, stay safe, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.